Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if WhatsApp keeps showing connecting on your iPhone and the message aren't going through, don't worry, this video will walk you through step-by-step solution to fix it. For that, first of all, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try opening Safari or another app to confirm the internet is working. After that, you want to go ahead and simply turn on your airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connections. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and simply close the WhatsApp app completely from your app switcher and then reopen it. Minor glitches are often resolved this way. So after that, you want to go ahead and reset your network settings. Go ahead and open up your settings application, tap on General. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now go ahead and tap on Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode, then confirm it. This will reset all Wi-Fi or cellular settings without deleting your data. So after that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your App Store. Inside here, search for WhatsApp and make sure it is updated. Go ahead and tap onto it, and if you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once the app is updated, head back to your home screen and as a last resort, go ahead and simply uninstall the WhatsApp application and reinstall it again. This removes corrupted files and reset the app environment. And that's it guys, these steps should help you fix WhatsApp connecting issue on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.